The floodplains where we are now, it means so much more than just a piece of land in Victoria. You know, this is where my ancestors used to live and thrive from this area. The Mallee CMA provides so much help with this project because, you know, it provides us opportunity to be out here and to doing all we can to give back to a land that means so much to us and has such cultural significance. And like, these lands usually are naturally flooded, and that's how traditionally they would get most of their food and nutrients, but obviously that can't happen, so we've got to now go in and look at the best options to keep this place alive. And when I'm out here and I'm seeing it like this, it's sad and it's upsetting, because once upon a time it was thriving. And like I said, as a descendant from traditional owners, got like a direct lineage from my grandfather, who was traditional owner of this land as well. So it's so important to me, and I guess it's also my responsibility to take part in doing what I can to help give back to this land that once gave back so much to my people. Having my say in being a part of the conversation is so important, because this is a part of who I am. Water is life-giving, you know. Water provides sustainability, provides healing, you know, it's a source of life. And in somewhere like this, it's so important. I mean, you look behind us here and, you know, this is somewhere that doesn't have that water provided for it. And our jobs as traditional owners is to care for this, because I feel like holistically, when you take care of the land and you start from the bottom up, it's like a ripple effect. It helps so much other people, other employment opportunities, industries. And water is a spiritual thing as well. I feel like it's grounding for me when I come out here and I stand by the water. That's a moment for me to reflect and to really think about certain things and to connect to who I really am. So it's great that CMA is on board and we can work together to benefit everyone. It's all about everyone, and many people and industries can also benefit from it, and I think it would be really great for my people and my dad, his father, you know, being a traditional owner out here. It's quite special.